Sylvester Williams, non-destructive technician. Been in Major 2 for 20 years. Non-destructive technician, we check for wear, tear, and defects on the part without causing any damage to the part. United States Air Force was my background. I had technical school and military, 6 months training of NDT. So on that side, we learned X-ray, eddy current, penetrant, mag, and ultrasonics. Joy about manufacturing is a vast variety of parts that we work on. Being a kid, going to the museum at NASA in Alabama, never thought that the day that I would come where I'll be able to work on an actual piece that goes into space.